Besties, join me. Let's make this beautiful sleeve you are seeing on your screen right now. It is called the Leg of Mutton Sleeve. It is very easy to draft the patterns, and it is a very beautiful sleeve that you can attach to your fitted dress, to your top, to your jacket. You can basically attach it to any garment of your choice. And there are several variations of this sleeve. There are the ones that have gathers on the sleeve crown or on the sleeve head. Then we also have the ones that have pleats on the sleeve head as well. But today I'll be showing you the one that has gathers on the sleeve head. This is really pretty easy to draft the patterns. So go grab your basic sleeve block so that we can draft the patterns together. Okay, so now once you have your sleeve block like this, the first thing we're going to be doing is we are going to draw slash lines. Now these slash lines will help us to spread out the patterns so that we'll create a volume on the sleeve and create the gathers on the sleeve as well. So the first thing you're going to do is from your bicep line here, this is my bicep, this line, you are going to measure about 2 cm upwards. So just place my meter rule like this. So from here to here, 2 cm. You give it a mark like so, and then you come to the edge, your sleeve, the side of your sleeve. You're going to measure from here now. You're going to measure, say, about 7 cm downwards like so. And then you're going to measure from this 7 cm mark, you're going to measure another 7 cm. Now you can actually decide how deep you want your slash lines to be. This is just an example. You can make it a lot deeper if you want your volume to be around all of this area. You can make it a lot deeper. You can also make it smaller. It depends on you. Okay, now you're also going to this side. Whatever you do on this side, you repeat it on this side as well. So on this side, we're going to mark from here 7 cm. From here now, you mark 7 cm. And then from here again, you mark 7 cm. So we just want it to be uniform. Okay, so once you've done that, the next thing would be for you to draw slash lines from this point to this point that you have marked. So I'm going to draw this line like so. Okay, and then I'm going to draw another slash line from here as well. Then I'm going to do exactly the same thing on this side. And then on this side as well. Good. Now once you've done this, the next thing would be for us to cut our lines open or to slash it open. Now you are going to slash your lines from here. Now you're going to slash it open to this point, and then you're going to slash these lines, but you're not going to cut them through. Okay, so you stop here and then you cut or you slash open these lines like so. Don't cut it to the end. Yes, and then you slash this other one as well. Then you go ahead and slash these ones as well. Okay, so you're going to have something like this. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take another plain sheet of paper like so. So on this paper now, you're going to draw a random straight line. Now this straight line is going to serve as a guide. So you just draw your straight line just like so. Okay, and now you are going to take your sleeve pattern like this, and then you're going to place it on it. Oops, it's gotten a little torn here, but it's okay. So you're going to place this center line, this middle here, you are going to place it directly on this line, on our guideline. Okay? And then you use your sticky tape to hold them together in place like so. All right? Good. Now once you have this, you are going to now spread out your pattern or your slash line. So from this your line here, you are going to spread it out, say about 5 cm or about 7 cm. So I think I want to spread my out about 7 cm. Okay, so I'm going to place this here like this. Good. And then use my sticky tape to hold them together in place. And then remember that the wider you spread them out, the bigger your gathers, or the bigger your sleeve will be, or the fuller your gathers will be. Okay, and then just use your sticky tape to hold them nicely. Now you're going to do exactly the same thing for this other side as well. So you're going to measure from this side 7 cm or whatever value you spread the other side out. So once you are happy with the way it is, you're happy with the way it looks, you are just going to draw a straight line like this to connect them together so that they will look nice. Okay, now from this point here where you drew your straight line, you are going to extend it upwards, say about 3 or 4 cm. So I'm going to be using about 4 cm for mine. Good. You extend it upwards about 4 cm, and then you are going to use your pattern master to reconnect your curve so that it will look very nice and neat. Aha. Good. So once you've done that, you're also going to look at the edges here and see if the edges here they have, and see if it has pointy edges. If it has pointy edges, just correct them. We don't want any pointy edges. Then you go to this other side as well, correct the pointy edges. You don't want any pointy edges, and then you trim off your excess paper. So now from this part to this part, you are going to gather these parts. All right, then this part will have volume as well, and this part is going to be narrow. Okay, and then you have your leg of mutton sleeve. Easy peasy, right? Now let me know in the comment section if this tutorial was easy for you to understand. All right, and then if you have any questions, also drop them below for me in the comment section. I will be happy to answer your questions. Thank you very much. I'll see you again in my next class. Bye bye.